Assalamu Alaykum guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well, inshallah. So I wanted to share with you guys, this is a pet fountain, which is an electronic one. I thought let me just unbox it with you guys as well. It's a filtered one, so I think it comes with 6 filters, which you have to change every 2 weeks. Got 1, 2 filters, 2, 3. So that's the pump, comes with a brush, that's the LED light inside there. Got the pump in there, and then you put this plastic part in here, and then you put one of the filters in here. Right, guys, I'm going to go and rinse this first, wash everything, and then I'm going to rinse the filter as well. And then I'll come back in a minute. I've rinsed everything and I put the pump back in and then put the plastic part on top. You have to fill it up to max, and then I put the filter in there, which I had to rinse as well, and then put the top part, the metal, back on, then the flower part, and then I'm going to connect it to the plug now. Just going to wipe a bit down here. And then I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to plug it on now and see how this works. So let's see how she drinks from this. Oh yeah, she will. Go on, Naya.